Good morning, boys and girls. Today you learned about compound words. You learned that compound words are two smaller words put together to make a new big word. We practiced taking compound words apart, like toothbrush. We took toothbrush apart. The first smaller word was tooth, and then the second word was brush. We put those two together and got a new word called toothbrush. And we also learned that oftentimes we can look at those smaller words to help us understand the meaning of the compound word. Let's look at toothbrush again. Toothbrush is a brush that we use for our teeth. Today what you are going to do is I'm going to give you a list of words. You're going to cut these words apart and you're going to find you're going to create a compound word by putting two of these words together. After you have found your compound word, you are going to write it on your list, and then you are going to draw me a picture of it. For example, let's look here. Play and ground. Play and ground put together is the word playground. And it is a new compound word, and it's a ground that you play on. So I made the new word. I wrote it on my sheet of paper, playground, and then I drew a picture of a playground. Today I want you to make 10 compound words using this word list.